Good day, everyone. You can now add product line items to a deal fully automatic using workflows. This is pretty cool because until now it was always a manual task that needed to be done by the sales rep when a deal was created or during the sales process. But now you can do it fully automatic. So that would allow you to fully automate the deal setup based on certain triggers. It ensures consistent usage of the right products and the right quantities. And it just simply saves on time and reduces human error. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So without further ado, let's move on to the demo account as always. In your left sidebar, navigate to automations and to workflows. I'm going to assume that you already have your product set up in the product catalog. If not, then that would be the first step that you're going to have to do by going to commerce and products and set up your products there first. I'm going to create a new workflow from scratch. I'm going to skip this wizard for now, and I'm going to go for a deal workflow. It would work also for a contact workflow, company workflow, but for now I'm going to use a deal workflow. And let's assume for the sake of this video that a product needs to be automatically added to a deal whenever the deal gets created or is created. So let's set the trigger first. Go for an event and let me move this. And I will go for record created. So whenever a deal is created, this workflow will trigger. Now I click on plus, and if I go to CRM, you will now have the add line item to deal action. And this is what we're talking about. So you're going to add that. You can specify which deal this needs to apply to. By default, it is set to the enrolled deal, so the deal that is enrolled in this workflow. But you could also apply it to all associated deals. So if a deal is connected to multiple deals, you could do that too. But I'm going to leave it to the enrolled deal. That is the most logical setup. And then I can choose the product from my product catalog. If I have multiple products in my catalog, I will get a drop down with all the products to choose from. So I can select the demo product and I can select the quantity. So let's say 5. I could also force the deal amount to be updated after adding the products if I want to. And I can hit save. And that's it. So whenever a deal goes through this workflow, this product gets added, the demo product gets added in a quantity of 5. If I want to add multiple products to the deal using the workflow, I just need to copy this action. So I can either go to plus, CRM, add line item, or I can click on clone this action, place it here, save, and it cloned the action, and then I can click on it and select the other product, change the quantity, etc. So that's how I can add multiple products to my workflow, and that's it. So once I turn this on and a deal gets created, the product will be automatically added to the deal, and that's how you automate adding product items to product line items to your deal. Hopefully this is clear. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Leave a comment down below, and I will gladly help you out. Thanks.